As cities grow, architecture bears the foundation of the development of the times. Due to high safety risks, aging workers, and limited efficiency, intelligent construction has become an irresistible trend. Based on the wave of transformation in the construction industry, BrightMaster Robotics takes the vertical large model for construction as the core engine and focuses on the research and development, production, and application of embodied construction robots. With full, stacked self-developed core technologies, the construction logic is reconstructed, thereby providing full scenario, integrated and implementable systematic solutions for the digitization, intellectualization, and industrialization upgrading of the construction industry. BrightMaster Robotics has thus become a pioneer and leader in the global intelligent construction field. BrightMaster's 5 major product series establish a complete intelligent construction system. Full coverage of the entire construction process is thereby achieved, continuously injecting momentum into industry upgrading. From benchmark project demonstration to large-scale popularization, BrightMaster has delivered more than 5,400 units of equipment and implemented over 1,600 projects, surpassing 50 million square meters, covering diversified formats such as commercial and residential projects, municipal works, industrial parks, and urban renewal projects, whereby large-scale commercialization has become the norm. From domestic layout to global expansion, BrightMaster's intelligent construction business has covered 15 countries and regions worldwide, with continuously expanding value boundaries and the global export of China's intelligent construction capabilities. We promote the transformation of constructors from high physical laborers into intelligent equipment operators and digital construction managers. We safeguard the safety and dignity of construction practitioners, create high-quality growth space for the industry, and deliver a better human settlement life for the society.